Hey friends, if you encounter Wi-Fi certificate error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to set the correct date and time. Okay, why? Because the certificate of Wi-Fi on your system or any certificate on your system is associated with the correct date and time on your computer too. If the date and time is too obsolete, then that will cause a problem. The certificate will not be recognized. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time and then make sure that all these three buttons are on, and then finally click on sync now. The next solution is to update the latest network drivers. How would you do that? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi adapter. Click on the option to update it and search automatically for drivers. And the last solution is to reset the network settings. How would you do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings. Click on reset network and then click on reset now. Click on yes to reset the network settings. When you reset network settings, it will flush the contents, it will flush the DNS, reset WinSock, reset TCP/IP. It will do a lot of changes on your system. So I think this will definitely solve your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.